news.
New at 6, home insurance prices were already alarming. Now factor in a destructive hurricane season, and experts expect another rate hike in policies in 2025.
Reporter Jay Jarvis has more on what you can expect to happen to your premiums and how state lawmakers plan to address that.
Hurricanes Helene and Milton tore a path of destruction across Florida, causing not only immediate effects, but others likely to be felt later down the line.
It's been really unusual because, for instance, that Big Bend area that got hit with Helene got hit last year at the same time. But prior to that, I don't think on record, at least in modern times, we'd had anything that hit that area.
Gregory Buck is the president and owner of insurance agency National Risk Experts. He says many insurance companies had not allocated resources for those areas and had to make a shift.
The problem is going forward, we're seeing that there is a minimum of at least 14-15% that Citizens is saying they're going to go up in 25.
He says many homeowners will also now have to buy flood insurance on top of that.
So therefore, the average homeowner's policy in Palm Beach County is about $13,000 and change. So that is a really hefty number. I mean, that's for many people, that's a sizable mortgage or more.
And Floridians are feeling the strain.
Floridians no longer want their laws written by the insurance company executives and the insurance company lobbyists.
Before Rep. Hillary Cassell became a lawmaker, she was a consumer advocate pushing for balanced insurance market reforms.
And what I saw as a consumer advocate and then in my first term was really legislators were being sold a bill of goods, right? They were being sold a bill of goods that if you pass these anti-consumer reforms, not only will the market be stabilized, but premiums will go down. And I think what my colleagues who voted for some of this legislation with this expectation have come to realize that the insurance companies are not lowering their prices.
Cassell believes a bill she introduced during the last legislative session could help. Under it, Citizens Property Insurance would take over all wind coverage for Floridians statewide.
If we spread that risk out across the state of Florida, it does a couple things. It allows for a fund. You pay into the Citizens Fund, you get a policy issued to you for coverage for your wind. Those premium dollars build a fund. I would rather know that if I'm going to receive an assessment, that my money's going to pay to help out my neighbor than bail out some insurance company executive. And really, that's the concept of the idea.
Cassell plans to reintroduce that bill in the future.
That was Jay Jarvis reporting.